This is my roommate's kitty cat. She comes in here in the morning and steals loves from me. This morning, she was sitting there crying at the door. Her dad's door is right next door to mine. She cries at my door. So I come get her and love on her. Stealing some loves from the roommate's kitty cat.